Are you frustrated with your computer? Is it broken again? Cindy Repair Services is the company you have to look for. We are the company that we are here to help you.
You should hire us to fix your computer issues. Whatever the problem may be, we can fix it. We offer the best computer solutions at an affordable price and a quick turnaround time.
Don't trust this job to anyone. We have all the experts you need. We have experienced, skilled, and available technicians ready to serve you. Contact us.
Contact us for your computer upgrades, computer repairs, software installation, virus removal, printer installation, desktop or laptop, any computer solution at all. Fixing all your remote computer issues 24/7.
Cindy Repair Services is a guarantee and a choice that meets your expectations. Meet us on your location, for we value you.